Hello, namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful people watching my video right now. This is me, Dolly, your friend, your host, and this is candle making tutorial number 90 on my channel. So if you haven't watched any of my video yet, please do watch and please note down the required things to create this beautiful drink candles. So now let's start making a beautiful candle. And guys, as you are seeing here that I'm having 3 glasses. So in one glass we'll create a beautiful mango candle, and in other 2 glasses we'll create the color for the candle. So in one glass, as you are seeing here, that I have added this yellow color in the paraffin wax, and the another one will remain clear. And now what will happen, guys, the yellow will become the mango pulp and the white will become the vanilla cream, or you can say it crushed ice. And now here, as you are seeing, that I'm adding this yellow color in this silicone tray. Don't worry guys, if you don't have this kind of silicone mold or tray, you can just pour it in any tray or anything like that, because we have to create small pieces of that which will looks like mango. And now here the mango pulp is ready, and now it's time to pour this mango pulp into the candle glass. Now remember guys, after adding the first layer, you have to wait at least for about 15 minutes before adding the second layer onto this mango pulp. So now it's time to add the white layer, and then repeat the process until you will reach the top of the glass, whatever size you are choosing. And now after completing all this step, it's time to allow it to set for a while, and meanwhile we will start making our second candle. So now let's start making our second candle, which is beautiful strawberry milkshake with honey. So guys, honey is optional if you want to add. So as you are seeing that I'm using this beautiful wine shaped glass, and here I'm adding this beautiful pink pigment in the paraffin wax. And now guys, we have to repeat the same process which we have did earlier to create mango pulp, and now here we are going to create strawberry pulp. And now guys, this is a very important tip of making food candle, and the tip is, whenever you make food candle, keep the layers uneven. Making layers uneven gives it a very authentic look. So after completing the process, allow it to set for few minutes before adding the layer of honey. And guys, you can keep this candle like this also. This candle is ready. And now it's time to work on the mango candle. And now guys, it's time to remove this beautiful long chunk which we have created in our silicone mold. The chunk is still warm and you have to keep it warm because you have to cut pieces out of it. So if it will get set completely, then it is not easy to cut the pieces. So here I'm making the mango pieces, so you have to do exactly the same. And guys, believe me, adding these yellow chunks gives your candle a very authentic look. And as you are seeing here that it is already looking very beautiful. So please do this process, don't skip this process to make the beautiful candle. And again guys, after completing the process, please keep this candle aside for a few minutes. And meanwhile, we'll start making our third candle, which is beautiful cocktail gel candle. So to make this beautiful cocktail gel candle, what you need is gel wax, obviously. Now choose the color of your choice. Here I'm showing with the red color and green color, and as you're seeing here that I'm pouring this clear wax into this silicone mold. And why I'm doing so? Because I'm going to create ice cubes out of it. Now the first step is to prepare the rim of the glass and to give the texture of salt at the rim. Here I'm using white sand. If you don't have white sand, you can use crushed soy wax or paraffin wax to create this beautiful rim. And now guys, the second step is to fix the candle wick into the glass. So do exactly what I'm showing you here. And in this pouring pitcher, I'm having clear gel wax. So it's time to create the color of your choice. Here I'm using green color to make this beautiful green color cocktail. Mix the color properly into the gel wax and then pour it slowly into the glass. At this time, the temperature of the gel wax is around 75 degrees centigrade, and now allow it to set for about 20 minutes. And meanwhile, we will add the layer of honey onto our strawberry candle. Okay, so it is completely optional as I told you earlier. And now after an hour, the ice cube is ready, and depending on the size of your glass, please cut the size of the ice cubes like the way I'm showing you here. These ice cubes are looking very beautiful guys, and here is the candle. The first layer is ready, and now it's time to put all these ice cubes into the glass. And now at this time, it is up to you. If you want to repeat the same color, you can repeat the same color also, or if you want to add another layer of another color, then it is completely up to you. I'm going to add red color over it because I'm making it in 2-color cocktail. So let's see how to do this. So guys, this is how you have to pour the another layer, and at this time the temperature of the gel wax is around 65 to 70 degrees centigrade. And then if you want to put more ice cubes onto it, you can do it. And that's it. Give it rest for a few hours and your candle is ready. So guys, I hope that you like the beautiful tutorial of the beautiful candle. So please don't forget to click the like button. If you want to share it, if you want to subscribe my channel, please do. It is absolutely free and it's my pleasure if you subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Take care of yourself and I'll meet with another video next time.